Go. Hey everybody, here's an update on the overturned abortion law. This from WSB TV here in Atlanta, Georgia region.
Elliot, he is live outside of the Fulton County Courthouse where that ruling came down.
Oh, that's Richard Elliott.
Just about 3 hours ago.
Yeah, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Robert McBurney issued that ruling from the Fulton County Courthouse today. Basically, he said this. He's not ruling on whether the heartbeat abortion law is constitutional today. He says the law was unconstitutional when it was passed 3 years ago. Therefore, he says under Georgia law, it is unconstitutional today. In his stunning 15-page ruling, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Robert McBurney overturned Georgia's heartbeat abortion law, also known as the Life Act. McBurney cited state Supreme Court precedent, which he says states if a law is unconstitutional when passed, it cannot be made constitutional by a change. Quote, at that time, the spring of 2019, everywhere in America, including in Georgia, it was unequivocally unconstitutional for governments to ban abortions before viability, and yet the Life Act did just that. Basically, he says, since Roe v. Wade was still in effect in 2019, the heartbeat abortion law was unconstitutional then, and even its overturning in the summer of 2022 cannot then make it constitutional. We reached out to the director of the ACLU of Georgia, Andrea Young. Her organization filed the lawsuit challenging the Life Act. She says McBurney's ruling means the 6-week ban is no longer legal and that the original 20-week ban goes back into effect.
Abortion bans are not popular. They're not popular with the people of Georgia. They're not popular in Kentucky. They're not popular in Kansas. And so the 6-week abortion ban was overreach by the Georgia legislature.
We also reached out to Kennesaw lawmaker Ed Setzler. He authored the heartbeat abortion law. He still defends it and believes the state will appeal to the Georgia Supreme Court, where it will win.
So stay tuned. I think this is a common sense law that people from across the political spectrum can be proud of, and it will be in full effect here relatively soon.
And late this afternoon, the AG's office said it has already filed an appeal. And late this afternoon, a spokesperson for Governor Kemp's office issued a statement that says, quote, today's ruling places the personal beliefs of a judge over the will of the legislature and the people of Georgia. The state has already filed a notice of appeal and will continue to fight for the lives of Georgia's unborn children, unquote. Will be a lot more to come. We are live outside the Fulton County Courthouse in downtown Atlanta. Richard Elliott, Channel 2 Action News.
You said it all.
And folks, I'll keep you updated since you're not going to get this level of information anywhere else than here, particularly in Oakland, just because of the regional difference. Subscribe to Zenny62 and bookmark OaklandNewsNowblog.com. That ends this broadcast.